So today I wanted to give you some ideas about how you can extend and improve your Notion pages to make them super fun and interesting. I'm going to talk to you about embeds. Now that sounds really boring, but there are all sorts of really cool little things that you can do with embedding things into Notion. There are all sorts of widgets and ways you can extend Notion. So I've been using Notion for probably the last year or two, and I absolutely love it. For me, it has replaced Things 3, it's replaced Evernote, it's replaced Trello, because I was using all of those different things, and it's just revolutionised the way I run my to-do lists and my projects. So in this video today, I'm going to tell you about 6 things that you can put into Notion. The first is webcams, then weathercams, countdowns, taking care of time management, things you can do with Gifs, and also music. So the first use case is webcams. As cameras have become cheaper, more and more organisations have been able to offer live streaming as a service. The most commonly thought of these is traffic cams, but you can also get ski resort cams to check the weather conditions and the ski conditions, airport cams, or even fighting cams. Bringing these into your Notion pages might be a bit of a distraction. You have to decide that. But I personally love having somewhere just while I'm taking breaks between Pomodoro sessions to just relax, have a look at the kittens, have a look at the jellyfish, and just take a little break before getting back to the focus. So to get these into your Notion pages, just Google live webcams. You'll find that the ones that work best are the YouTube versions. So where they're streaming on YouTube, you can just copy and paste the YouTube link into your Notion page, and it'll ask you if you want to create an embed out of it. You choose that option, and then you just press play whenever you're on that page, and it'll pull through the live stream for you. And while I was researching this video, I actually found a website called explore.org, which has a range of zoos and aquarium webcams, anything from apes to penguins to jellyfish to those kittens I talked about. So yeah, go check them out and enjoy. So the next use case is weather widgets, and these can be really helpful to have on a dashboard or on your home screen so that you can see the layout of the next 4 or 5 days worth of weather, and this will help you to plan your daily walks during lockdown. I found one of the most useful ones is from a company called Meteor Blue, so I'll put a link to that for you and you can take a look. So the third use case is countdowns. I'm invariably using Notion to plan out an event or Christmas or something that is a number of days away, and having a countdown widget actually embedded into your pages can help really focus your mind on how long you have left to do something. So go to countingdown2.com, and that will allow you to build your own countdown widget. You can change the colour, you can change the style, you can obviously put in the date, things like that, and it can just be a really good mind focuser. The fourth use case is time management. I'm actually a massive fan of the Pomodoro technique. I've got a really short attention span, and I find that the 25-minute work slots followed by 5-minute break times is really helpful for my focus and my productivity. One of my favourite ones is from a company called PomoFocus. So if you go to pomofocus.io and you copy that link and then you paste it into your Notion page, it will give you an embedded counter. And it's actually just the web page embedded, but you can change the size of it so that you actually just have the countdown. And that means that when you're on that page, you can hit the start button, the Pomo timer will kick in, and it will also then let you know when the time is up. So having those embedded directly into my tasks page or the pages that I'm working on is super helpful for keeping me focused and just having it right there so I can see it. So the fifth use case is gifts. So I find the idea of money manifestation, affirmations and positive thinking really interesting. I don't mean that in a woo-woo way. I just find it interesting that you kind of create what you're thinking about and you create your own luck. So as part of my research, I went to Giphy, which is one of the biggest kind of GIF searchable databases, and found some awesome little GIFs of it raining money and things like that. And so having a money page and a debt tracker that actually had that and had some positive affirmations in it was really helpful for keeping me focused and keeping my spirits lifted. So to do this, just go to Giphy, search for the GIF you want, go to share it, and it'll give you a link that you can just copy and paste into Notion. And really have fun with it, because why not? You can always change it. So the final use case is music. You can actually embed individual Spotify songs or entire Spotify playlists, but you can also take MP3s that you've downloaded from elsewhere and upload them into Notion in order to give you a little MP3 audio player. And following on from the money affirmations and manifestation side of things, Denise Duffield-Thomas actually makes a money affirmation MP3 available to people who have read some of her books. So I've got one of those in with my kind of money pages. So there are just a few ways that you can spice up your Notion pages and bring a little more fun and functionality into your everyday to-do lists and task management. Thanks very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!